explainer. Today, we're completely breaking down the top AI tools and handing you a highly practical roadmap to create brand new income streams for 2026.
Okay, here's our blueprint for today. We'll be exploring 4 major categories: content with ChatGPT, visuals using Canva and Midjourney, video and voice AI, and AI website building. And finally, we'll wrap up with your own custom decision blueprint to help you choose your path.
All right, let's jump right into section 1. Content with ChatGPT, the absolute foundation.
We're starting with the ultimate foundation of online income. At its core, ChatGPT is basically like having a world-class, expert writer on standby 24/7, ready to draft everything from a quick blog post to a full-blown video script. Whether a business needs marketing emails, some snappy social media copies, or long-form articles, this tool generates a highly accurate, incredibly structured first draft in literally seconds. It is the ultimate accelerator for written communication.
For beginners, training the AI to match your exact brand voice is super easy, just 3 simple steps. You start by clearly defining your goal, so the system knows the exact format you're looking for. Then, and this is key, instead of just asking a basic question, you actually feed it your specific brand tone and context to get a totally tailored output. And crucially, you never, ever just copy and paste. Your real job is to review and refine the text. You act as the editor, adding that vital human touch that makes the content truly sing.
Moving right along to section 2, visuals with Canva and Midjourney.
Did you know the global graphic design market is projected to hit $83 billion? Well, these tools completely democratize that entire space. You no longer need a background in traditional art to jump into this highly lucrative industry. Midjourney is absolutely incredible at generating stunning, highly detailed art from just a simple text description. Meanwhile, Canva AI brings these amazing built-in features to effortlessly design layouts, social media posts, and professional marketing materials.
And the workflow, it is unbelievably fast. You start by feeding a highly descriptive text prompt into Midjourney, literally just telling the system what kind of visual vibe you're going for. Once the AI spits out the art, you pick your absolute favorite version and upscale it for high resolution. Then, the real magic happens. You import that gorgeous image right into Canva, effortlessly drop in your text and branding elements, and boom, you've got a polished, professional graphic ready to hand off to a client. And this brilliantly illustrates your earning potential here. Whether you want to sell digital AI art prints online, start a cool print-on-demand merch store for t-shirts and wall decor, or design those high click-through thumbnails for YouTubers, the market demand is just massive right now. Every single business out there, big or small, needs visually striking content to stand out in today's super crowded digital landscape.
Next up, section 3, video and voice AI and how to completely dominate social feeds.
So with the average person spending over 3 hours a day scrolling through social media, video is absolutely king right now. And to conquer this space, let's look at CapCut and 11 Labs. CapCut handles all the tedious editing, offers dynamic templates, and generates those snappy automated captions that keep viewers hooked. And 11 Labs? Total game changer for audio. It delivers broadcast quality, hyper-realistic narration directly from your text. You literally don't even need to buy a microphone or record your own voice. By following these rapid-fire steps, you can pump out highly engaging, super professional video content completely from scratch. First, you generate your realistic voiceover in 11 Labs. Then, you pull that audio file right into a CapCut template, sync it up beautifully with your visuals, and just hit a button to add those fast-paced automated captions that perform so incredibly well online. It's literally like having an entire production studio housed right inside your laptop.
This creates multiple, highly scalable streams of income. You can tap into the booming creator economy by launching highly profitable, faceless YouTube channels. Or you can offer rapid, freelance video editing for busy influencers. But honestly, one of the most exciting opportunities? Using these text-to-speech engines to narrate and publish audiobooks. That market is growing incredibly fast right now, and the barrier to entry has literally never been lower.
All right, section 4, AI website building and digital infrastructure.
If you really want to capitalize on the growing trillion-dollar internet economy, you need digital real estate. Now, the old way of building websites was a massive barrier to entry. It required deep coding knowledge, complex design software, and months of labor just to get a single functional page live. But these new AI builders, they've turned web development into a simple prompt-based operation. You just describe the business to the AI, and it generates the layout, the content, and the design in mere minutes. It is wild. Once you master this one skill, you can offer highly valuable web services locally and globally. You can build slick, modern websites for local restaurants that desperately need an online presence. You can create your own e-commerce stores to tap into the massive online shopping market. Or you could even scale up and launch a full-fledged AI web design agency. This service has immense value because you're providing businesses with their core digital foundation, which is exactly what they need to survive in 2026.
Which brings us to our final section, your decision blueprint. Time to choose your path.
To really guarantee your success, you need to find the perfect intersection of three specific things. First up, your personal interest. What's actually going to keep you motivated when the going gets tough? Second, your past experience. Do you have any existing skills that give you a head start? And third, the specific needs of your target audience. Where's the money actually flowing in the market right now? When you find an idea that hits all three of those circles dead center, you've found your calling. The tools to build extraordinary wealth are quite literally at our fingertips, completely free of the old gatekeepers. So the only question left to answer is this. 5 years from now, will you be the one who leveraged this AI boom to build your dream life? Or will you be the one who just watched it all happen from the sidelines? Remember, if you want to shine, learn AI and design. Make sure to subscribe for more explainers and drop a comment below letting us know which path you are claiming today.